Thank you so much.
So today, the session that we are going to cover largely will be on the tool called Canva, and we will know in a minute what Canva is. Into the breakout room, coming out of the breakout room, and sharing. Right? It's an Australia-based company, so we have to always remember that one thing, that a lot of the context that it has in the background comes from around the world. So if I click on educational presentations, you see there are a whole range of templates of presentation, as just now a question was being asked. So this is just one aspect, right? Comic strip is something which I really love, because this is where exactly you can create short stories of your own. You can create booklets of classroom experiences. So these are, I need to edit particularly for my school name, I can just edit it. Now I'm just going to explain some of these bars. So as you see, when these all designs already come up here,
Okay, so that was the the entire process of how you can create a simple animated video with the images and videos that you have for any events in your life or anything.
there are two main functions of video creation, right? Animation and transition. Everything else is part of, whether you make an infographic or poster or anything, the other features are same. But video, there are two main things: animation, which happens within one particular slide, and transition, which happens from one slide to another.